I'm in Sri Lanka and I joined as a volunteer to a local family. And in this video, I want to show you a bit of local life in Sri Lanka and local dishes we cook here. So together, I will show you where I'm volunteering. Before show you hostel, I want to say now is a very rainy day, very heavy rain. Actually, we experiencing this is long time. Even rainy season didn't start in Sri Lanka, but you see how heavy rain we experiencing. Yeah, let's go to see the hostel. This is the upstairs. And here we have a balcony, but I don't open it as it's very rainy. We have one dormitory here. And one dormitory here. Name of this hostel is Jungle City. As you see, is near of nature, and of course there is a lot of mosquito. Here the bathroom. You can see the rain everywhere. Kind of. I stuck here. I cannot go anywhere as it's very rainy. And there is another room here. All of them, they have a good windows, big windows, and you have view of greens. I will show you downstairs also. Okay, let's go downstairs and show you a bit of around. This is the yard. The train just passing by from here. We have a Buddha statue here for praying. They always keep some food, water, or flower here. Yeah, here is downstairs. And outside. And we have here Bruno. Bruno is very lovely dog. Hi, Bruno. Hi. Hand, not leg, hand. Bruno. Good boy. The owner is a very nice woman, and we work together. I help her in kitchen and stuff. When she's cooking, I can see the way of traditional cooking. I wish want to do as well. In my free time, I read books, I watch movies, and I spend time with the guests here. It's very nice always to sharing and listen to others' stories. It can inspire you. Here I cook with them local dish, and today we want to cook cassava. Watch this video. To peel the cassava. Kosovo, this is a kind of vegetables, and yeah, I should remove the skin and make it like this.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up?
Well, I learned well press chop and then I make a line to peel the cassava. Yeah, like this. Can be ready. Almost done.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Flying, get on board.
Let's wash them.
Salt.
What you wanna make? You want to make boil?
Yeah, oil and coconut and special chili sambar or normal sambar and egg.
Okay.
Yeah. Then the phosphorus, dynamite,
Um,
carbohydrates or the vitamins.
mhm. Oh, well, now is time for making coconut powder. Yeah, let's do it. I remove the herb of coconut. Now need to be cut and make a powder from that. Well, now I show you how we make powder. I need both of my hands, so I will continue and show you later. As you see, I made a lot of powder and I still continue. Actually need a strong hand for doing this. Cassava is boiling. of chili with this will be plain.
खाना बना टिका
Chili mixer.
this one cut chili.
Yeah.
Cut chili, not chili powder, not cut chili.
Okay.
Onion.
Here we remove the cassava water. Salt.
Yes.
Smashed cassava.
Yeah. Mashed cassava. Yes. Hot.
Oh, hot, yeah. Good. Yeah. What was the name of this? You mentioned?
Cut chili. Cut sambar.
Ah, like samba. Made by chili, onion,
Salt.
and salt, and coconut, and
Now, first here.
yeah.
Not chili and coconut.
Mm-hmm. Lime juice.
Like this, yeah.
Spicy.
Little.
Little spicy.
Do you want in the mix? This one is a coconut and here, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Yeah. Okay, we have Eve here. She's our guest. Yeah, from Germany, and she's eating cassava with this coconut, which is a bit spicy for me. I'm not taking, but she mix all together and she eats like a local with hand. How is it? Yeah, enjoy. Here people eat by hand. Today I want to try eating by hand. You just take your bite. Oh, it's a bit hot. And you will push it by your thumb to your mouth. Yeah, let's eat. Dinner time. What are you cooking, Mama?
I cooking in the lady's finger,
Mm-hmm.
kohila salad, and a fried potato, and egg.
Really sounds good.
Yeah, very good, very healthy,
Yeah.
very tasty.
Thank you for cooking. Bruno. Oh, sorry, Bruno. This is the lady finger. She's cooking.
Yeah.
And let's see kohila.
You check
I mean-
this one kohila.
This one, kohila.
Yeah, the
She's
kohila.
cooking.
It's a big one.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. Big one. This one is smaller one. This one
I never
always-
saw
yeah.
this one.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. All in the very good, in the very tasty, and
Is it like an eggplant?
plant
Mm.
flour.
Okay. Cool.
Leaf in the curry, and this one salad in the curry. Very good in the bed, cleaning in the remove in the inside in
Yeah.
the cooker.
Everything you cook is very healthy and good.
Yes, of course.
If you don't pay attention to Bruno, he's not eating. Now I'm sitting next to him and I start feeding him. Then he start to eating. Eat, Bruno. Good boy. This caricature is really, really true. Do you want tuk-tuk? Yeah, everywhere. Doesn't matter. Tuk-tuk driver ask you this question. Even you are surfing middle of ocean, they come and ask you. Yeah, I know. It doesn't make sense, but they do. They do.